saw his face. You want to get her back.
It's your boy Baba.
The kid in the building.
All right. Madonna. Not MJ.
This is Madonna's Human Nature.
Yeah, exactly. It's Madonna's one. We have Madonna Human Nature live from Detroit. Drowned World Tour. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Turn those post notifications so you get notified every time we drop a video. How many likes?
300 likes.
We already know what this is about.
Yeah. Hey, you know what? The Madonna people hate us, but we enjoy Madonna, so we're gonna keep doing it. If they hate us, they say we're too vanilla and too this and too that. Hey, we enjoy it. So
I'm sorry, I ain't a freak like y'all.
Yeah.
Let's get
nasty.
to the video.
Oh.
He older too.
Yeah. She don't give a damn.
That's where Janet got his from, you see. Oh.
She looked at me like that. She's not sorry for being a freak.
Let me say the words I longed to say. Didn't want to see life through my eyes. You tried to shove me back inside your narrow room. Silence me with bitterness and lies. Did I say something wrong? Oops, I didn't know we could talk about sex.
Oh, you saw his face. You want to get her back.
And I'm not sorry. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. I'm not your bitch. Don't hang your shit on me.
She's the sex innovator.
Oh. You know about
You
this.
think Madonna got hang time? Don't do that.
Hang time is
She
crazy.
got hang time. Damn, Madonna got muscles now. Hey. All right, don't get hurt now, Madonna. Now. Oh. Hey.
She from Texas?
You'd be a great farmer. Madonna's been a great farmer.
You heard what I said.
Oh.
It's human nature. Not your bitch. Don't hang your shit on me.
Do it.
Oops, I didn't know we couldn't talk about sex.
You see? You see? Talk about what you want to talk about.
Well, I mean, when they're in the room, say sex. She fucking aliens.
That's that trans stuff I be talking about. You be trying to put people in the trans now.
Make sure you like and subscribe. Turn those post notifications on so you get notified every time we drop a video. How many likes?
300 likes.
300 likes to do more Madonna. Also put the comments below Madonna you guys want us to react to. If you want us to do the music video, we can do that as well.
Facts. We can always do that.
And I'm not sorry.